check this out. We got a fun package of this. Maybe Hot Wheels. What do you think? What do you think is Hot Wheels? You think Hot Wheels? Okay, sure. Might be thanks. You love your favorite Hot Wheels? Oh my goodness. This is it. Oh my god. We got this. A Family Feud. When you play Steve Harvey. And this is... Check this out. Movie seated. When you could play with or something, if you know. Then let's check it unboxing. Let's see. Was oops, might be open. I got this. Hosted by Steve Harvey. You need to get this sometimes how to play. I know how to play this. Let's play Family Feud time. It seems a Family Feud. I'll be right back. Hold on a second. After first, you need. Just kidding. Now it's open. Let's open up. Okay, how to play this. Okay, we do not look at it. Okay, boom. And then you see how to play Family Feud. And then this is, we got Team A, Team B. Don't look at this. This is just this. Well, if you need, that's the card. This is the card. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we need to color. Then, okay, let's do something. And it's TV. It just okay. How to play Family Feud. Fast money. Welcome to the Family Feud. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully it's in. Last one is movie scene. When hosted Mario Lopez, he asks you need to play now. When Shadow, thank you for help. If you need to, and you're gonna get something, you need something to tell. All right, I'll be right back. Let's go get scissors. Okay, let's play What's Happening Unboxed in Movie Scene. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's open up. Okay, it's good. when you buy on Walmart or Target if you want, okay? Shh, thanks for your hair. Let's see what here. And then you can. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. Oh my goodness. OMG. It means don't look at this. Don't look. This is like, we need a hoop. And you scan it. Then you have to play. Obviously, you get the buzz. Then you got this. Okay. Now, what's in boxes? It's nothing for it. It's nothing. When you play hoops, there's nothing to tell. When you okay. So, and oh wait, after this, wait, we got this. Let me cut that. Let's see. Buzz. Okay. Okay. Now, next is steps. Using something if you're similar that you need happens. Let's see, open. Let me put it open and let's get ready. Oops. Sorry to say. I'm sure you know why, okay? Hold on. There it is. Oh shoot! Sorry, I'm gonna make it a mess. Making a mess. Let me clean this up. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god, it's messy. Okay, let's clean up. Boom, boom. Okay, that's good. Would you like to play movie scene it? Sure, you can, or you play or the first Family Feud. Okay, if you want. So we need last one is we got this, the dominoes. Okay. Okay, it's like salad library. What is this? Got it. Oh, the punishment. That's funny. So you need a hopping. Then this is so we need something down. Clean it. Clean. And thank you for special things for Hope. Alright, so all the cards. We got the card. All done. Boom. Okay. Okay, we got it. Thank you guys for watching. And thanks for subscribe, like, if you need to share. When you go to Gamestar Production, subscribe now. Or you need it, get the buy on Walmart and Target. Come on. Get it now. See you.